You'll drive on the other.
Anyway, the rest of you paddle
Yeah, no, it's
forward.
recording, yeah. Is it? Yeah. Right.
And stop.
There's your evidence though.
And forward. And stop. When we go over this big waterfall, team, you need to hold on as tight as you can, okay? Even if we flip over, keep holding on. You two at the front, make sure your foot's out of that pocket. You four in the back of the boat, okay? If you look up when we go over the waterfall, you run the risk of smashing your face. So you need to have your knees wide apart and look down between your knees, okay? Especially for the impact at the bottom. Back paddle. And stop. Send it.
Nicely.
Forward paddle. And stop. Back paddle. And hold on. Back paddle. Back paddle.
Hold on, what duck was it?
Stop. Beautiful.
No, that's gone, no? Definitely.
Hey mate, you guys ready to get absolutely annihilated? Yeah. Hey team, while we're here chilling, do you want to have a quick stand up and have a look down there?
Measly enough, is it?
Huh?
Measly.
Measly. Oh good God.
Yeah,
Surely you've heard of Murphy's Law.
I know, yeah.
Hey,
What?
oh, you fucked us. Hey, we're going to do a quick practice. Okay, quick practice time. Everybody get down. Waterfall position. Oh, don't hold him, bro. Hold the rope.
Measly, remember?
He's doing that all week.
Hanging on to your helmet. Okay, jump up. Hey, beautiful. Left. Oh, just watch the bump. Ho ho ho! What? What? Okay, look at them go. Holy shit. Straight down.
Lovely.
Lovely, lovely.
Isn't it?
Hey, what do you reckon?
I'm simultaneously incredibly happy.
Oh shit! There's a lot of blood. Oh, look, pulling people in. Yes! Nice. Alright, yeah, so a couple people fell out. Bit of blood, happy days, Hey, you guys ready for action?
Yeah.
Woo! Are you nervous?
No, give it a lad. Push that throttle, lad.
Yeah, alright, we'll get there. Hey team, it's been wonderful meeting you all. Put your paddles together, make some noise! Beautiful. Okay, you can all get down now.
We're fucking winning, dude. Yeah. Your mouth,
Okay, so just make sure your paddles are nice and straight with the side of the boat. You can look up for now. You can look up for now, just as we're going over, look down.
Close my eyes.
You might want to time your breath, so keep your head up, have a look. Just straighten your paddle a little bit. Bring the front end in, bring the front end in. Bring your front end of your paddle in. Okay,
Holy Mary, mother of God.
Down, down.
Oh, yeah, boy, yeah.
Oh, we made it!
Murphy's Law,
Get up, get up, get up!
We were proper under, weren't we?
Hey!
You proper go under.
Proper! We went full speed, brother!
That was good, that was good.
Nice one, bro.
Yeah, that was
Hey,
good.
nice one, team. Whoa, bloody hell. Give me some skin. You beauties. Happy days.
That was
huh?
good, lad.
Yeah. Oh, shit, yeah.
It's all happening.
Hey, team, I have a funny feeling we're going to see some action. At least out of one of these boats. So, we need to be ready to save their asses. So let's go forward paddle. There's one coming over now. Keep your eyes on. Whoopa.
Let you proper go on though, don't you? Oh my nose as well,
Forward
yeah?
pedal. Forward pedal. Forward pedal.
This place is unreal, isn't
And
it?
stop.
We should have told Kira ago, yeah?
18, my friends, let's get a family photo. Look up there at the camera, big one.
Hey!
Nice. Left back, right forward. And stop. Everybody paddle forward. And stop. Okay, so if they flip, don't turn into a deer in the headlights. We're going to paddle over, we might need to help people out. And then they can buy us a beer later. It's only fair, eh? But we can yell, flip! 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 Flip!
Flip, you're gone, man.
Forward paddle! Forward! 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 Paddle! Forward! And stop! Back paddle! Back pedal, stop, stop. Hey guys, hey, right behind you, J-Rex. Pull them in, pull them in.
Pull them in here.
Hey brother, wait, get this. Grab my pole.
Yeah.
Okay,
I got you, yeah?
Okay, okay. Woo! And then, back pedal. Back pedal, back pedal.
My ass is in your face there.
Back pedal. He loves it, mate. Back pedal.
Yeah, we don't carry any baggage, back paddle.
And stop. Hey brother.
As good as this.
Hey, let's just get a quick count. We have 3 extra people. That's 3 bears. Nice one. Okay, we just need like 4 more people, and then it means we're all beer. Hey. Did you know that? That's the rules. You buy us a beer now, brother.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
The whole 6 pack. That's good.
That was good, love.
Oh, good times. Hey, let's go forward paddle. If you've got a paddle, paddle forwards.
I'll just
Here we
rest
go,
easy.
another
Yeah.
note. Oh, people flying. Right side forward, right side forward, right side forward hard. Everybody forward. Everybody forward.
Studio. What can we do, show?
And stop.
We're only passengers now, Eddie.
Bit of choking going on there. Hello. Hello. Hey, let's go left forward. And everybody forward. Okay, you guys that do not belong in my boat, and stop.
Get out of
I'm
it.
gonna throw you out. Let's go back paddle. This taxi service has done its dash. And stop. Alright, bro. Get into the boat, bud.
Was it your paddle?
I don't know, I have one here.
Ah, okay.
Have you got a paddle in, yeah?
Good, bro. How's your finger? You're welcome.
Home sweet home, lad.
Oh, hey, Team Rescue, yeah! Let's go forward battle. We've got another one coming.
We saw them, lad.
Here they come. Oh,
Let's shoot your kings.
Shit. Oh, beauty. Hey team, should we get out of here and go and find some more action?
Yeah.
Right side, back paddle, left forward. Left
Forward.
Everybody forward. And stop. He took great pleasure in seeing you fuck that up because he doesn't know left or right either. Let's go forward paddle. And stop. Beautiful. I saw you watching.
Yeah, delighted with himself.
He was like, yes. In his head. Awesome. Hey, kiss goodbye to the waterfall team.
Mwah.
And let's go forward paddle. And stop. Lovely. Forward. And stop. Hold on. Bit of a bump coming, part of my plan.
Are we getting down now?
Only if you're a pussy.
I'll stand up, lad.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Roll the pedal!
Don't use that word pussy, right? That'll make me do anything.
Ladies, the first one of you ladies, put your hand up, wins the prize. Okay. Well, if you identify as a lady, mate. However, it'll work better with this young lady. So I reckon we're going to turn you into a cowgirl. If you can come back a seat, brother. Pass me your paddle. Sit on the front of the boat with your legs hanging over the front. With the rope, put your paddle with that one and come and sit in between us at the back. So can you put your paddle with those two and come and sit in the middle back here? Can you two bring your paddles and sit either side back here?
Already, man.
Now up the front, hold between your legs.
Hi, Dean.
One hand up, cowgirl.
Go on, Dean.
Right side forward, right side. Just the right.
Yep.
Yep, that's you. Stop.
Oh, look at that cowgirl.
Right, here we go, cowgirl. And forward paddle, everybody. Yeah, nice and hard.
Go on, Dean. Yeah. Where's your nose? She's alright, she's a good swimmer.
Yeah! Watch out for the rocks, everybody. Alright, pull her in, brother, pull her in. Rescue!
Fair play, though. That was good. That was good.
Oh, nice one.
Well done, Dean.
Very nice.
Well done.
What eating, girl?
Well done. That was brilliant.
Well done. Well done.
You all way up, like. With good anchorage out the boot.
It looked like you'd totally made it, so then you just kind of plopped off. Hey, grab a seat, team. Grab your paddles.
That was good, yeah. Well done, Dean. Look at all that. Take a minute.
Hey, do any of you lot want to swim down one of the rapids? Yep.
That does sound like fun.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, I reckon. Back paddle.
Go for Jim.
Back
No, I'm alright.
back paddle. And stop. So team, if you want to swim this next rapid, how it works is I'm going to leave you on these rocks here, and then I'm going to go down ahead of you, and you wait on the rocks until you hear me whistle. And when I whistle, you jump in, and you want to float down the middle of the rapid. I suggest going head first on your belly, arms out in front of you. So long as you go down the middle, you'll be good as gold. You'll wash through the wave, and when you pop up, swim down to me. I'll be down on the left, okay? And where I'll be parked will be quite shallow, all right, but very fast. So you've got to make sure you swim to the boat before you stand up. Easy?
Yeah.
And just watch your knees when you're coming in close. Happy days? Cool. If you can, leave your paddles in the boat. Come out here on these
I'll look
rocks.
after the paddles. I'll make sure we bring home the paddles.
Oh, you're a good man. You're a good man.
Come on, Jim.
No. Am I going? Am I?
Yeah, come on, just fucking way.
I wasn't. I'm afraid.
He's well able to mind the paddles.
Will you manage the paddles on your own, will you?
I'll give it a go.
Oh no, why am I doing this?
Now guys, sometimes you don't have to swim much at all, and sometimes you have to swim really bloody hard. So just sort of when you pop up, look for me and I might be directing you where to swim.
Yeah.
Obviously that means swim hard.
Oh, lad.
Good lad.
I'm shitting it now, lad.
Alright.
And then I'm going to go down the rapid first and I'll be waiting for you.
Oh, lads, I shouldn't have done this.
What, you
She'll be
guys
grand,
gonna
lad.
do?
She'll be grand.
She'll be grand, mate.
On your stomach.
She'll middle load after a while.
You go down the middle of that rapid, so you on your stomach as fast as you can. When you hit the white water, close your mouth, so you obviously don't swallow any water. When you come up to the surface again,
That's right. You'll be grand,
in
lad.
front of you, but
I changed it.
You go before me if you want. I didn't that way I can come
You're
through.
risking me.
Yeah.
It's good cracking, no?
Oh, it's
I'm delighted you done it, lad. Kira would have been able, lad.
You would. She'd be nervous enough with this. She wouldn't do this stuff now, though.
Neither would I, lad. I don't know, it ain't like you got first sin.
I know, I was like, come back down my hands, I just couldn't hold that.
Is that thing still peeping? Is it still recording?
It was, yeah.
Do you guys want to try to maybe
Oh yeah,
down the road?
yeah.
Here.
That way, and then my people can come and stand up behind them.
I just hop in there, man. Tell your man I don't
You decided you don't want to do it.
Yeah. I never decided I did want to do it, just so you know.
Awesome. How's my team feeling? Feeling good? Yeah. So zip up your shoes before you jump in. This is where we lose all our shoes. And yeah, I'm gonna go down, blow a whistle. These guys are gonna have a whistle first. Then all those guys are gonna have another whistles. Once those guys are done, away, that's when you guys go. It gives you probably like 3 whistles. And, yeah, that was fun. Go for it. All of you guys together. All of
Fill
you.
me off first, lads. And rescue mission 999.
And then yeah, I'll be waiting for you. I'll throw that at you.
No, shitting it, lad. Look after me, will you?
I am. In the middle.
I'm going to 3 inches, lad. You're grand, lad. I'm going to lose my shoulder. I just need to fix my... I know, my shoe is gone.
Don't go under the raft. Hey guys, really shallow. Really shallow. Grab my pole, bro. Beautiful.
Oh, man.
I
thought I was dead, lad. Oh, lad, you got proper under me.
Swim in this way.
Oh, man. Oh, lad. Oh, man.